Alright, today we're going to be changing the coil packs on a 4.8. This is going to be the same for a 5.3, 6.0. Get her set up. So there's going to be 4 coil packs on each side, and we'll start out by getting all the spark plug wires off of them. Nip the front. Okay. You can adjust that if it looks weird or whatever. Okay, now these are going to be the electrical connections on the top side of the pack. Right, now ready to take our bolts out. This is going to be a number 10 millimeter. That battery gave this one some bite. I don't think it would have done that on a normal little battery. Okay, so this is our first coil pack that we're pulling out, square style. Thank you. Oh no, there's a tight one. Number 2 coming out. Drop our extension on this one. Okay, that's 4 coil packs out. Okay, so this is going to be our new ones, TRQ from 1A Auto. Little piece of tape. Okay, so that's your new one. These all come out pretty good.
I'm just gonna get you set up over here. Maybe.
For the side?
Yeah. Are you gonna put that side in first?
Yeah, we'll put these in real quick. Yeah. So we're gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease on these. If it'll work.
I don't ever trust them.
Yep, there you go. And a little. Water resistance. Come on. Okay. Those four are ready to rock. Good on that.
I think so. Your jacket's kind of puffy, but we're good. Yeah.
All right, so this is going to be the spark plug down, sensor up. Set it in there, get a bolt started. With your fingers, not an impact. Get the extension. Spark plug wire going in until it clicks. Then your electrical connection on the top side. I thought this truck just started. Okay. Once you get a good click on that, you know you're good. I'll try to do everything left-handed so I won't kill it so bad. Got a good click. Okay, one more to go. We're gonna sweat now.
It's warm.
Yeah. Last time when I was doing that module, the mosquitoes were eating me up.
I'd rather it be this than the mosquitoes
Yeah.
being out here.
Every 2 seconds I was slapping mosquitoes, I couldn't even get them. Monte Carlo? Was that?
Yeah, no idea who it was though.
Nah. They just wanted to be a part of the video. He's over there crying. Okay, just make sure everything's tight and clicked in. And it is. Okay, so that's our 4 driver sides done. So we'll switch over to passenger.
The airbox angle is killing it.
Just hold it, maybe.
Yeah.
All right, so same thing on this side. All the little electrical connectors. And then all the spark plug boots. Half the time these are so hard to get off, and then sometimes they come flying off. This is the hardest one. My bowl. Number 1 off this side. These look crusty. Look at that.
Yeah, she was definitely one of the culprits.
Oh my god. Okay, this side's gonna be fun with all of these stuff in the way.
They ain't gonna throw a ball like
You gotta save one just in case. Okay, so that's gonna be a fun one.
Okay, here we go.
Live action. Stubby tin. Oh.
Regular ratchet would probably work, but we're just trying to be lazy. Ooh, how do I zoom like that?
The wheel.
The wheel?
The orange one on your, yeah, that one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, can't change it now.
Don't need no ratchet where I'm going. Yeah, these are all not looking the best. Yeah.
All of them are looking like that?
Yeah, they're all looking that bad.
Yep.
Okay, that's definitely gonna be a hard one. Try the longer socket, no extension. But I think we can. My dipstick's in the way.
Hate it when that happens.
Yeah, happens to the best of us. Okay, so we'll just get a ratchet and knock this one out. I missed the ladder.
The crustiest last bolt.
But it will come off.
The trusty old ratchet.
It's the tightest one.
Yeah. Didn't get it?
Not yet. I think it's just dirty. The threads are dirty. Okay, we got her now. On the firewall.
Crustiest one.
I mean,
They had to be
pretty
doing
nasty.
something.
Pretty nasty. Okay, let's go over to the table. His other one was ground.
No, it's up there in the This side was definitely way worse.
Yep, so passenger looking pretty bad off on every single one of them. All driver. Not bad. Okay.
These look like they came on the truck. When she would come off the line.
They're from 2007. Very well could be. 277,000 miles of it. All right, get our dielectric rolling again. Missed that one. They almost look like they're 3D printed, don't they? Look at the stripes. Where are you at?
Oh, I was zoomed in, my fault.
Zooming.
Yeah, I was trying to look at that crusty bolt. You know what I mean.
Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead and see the back one first.
That back one was not that it was so awful, but a little hard.
So hard, you just had to go get a old-fashioned ratchet.
Yeah. Number 3 in. Okay, the fun one. That started a lot easier than I thought it was going to. All right, we'll work with that. Gotta lose our extension. A little tighten on her. I think we were able to get this one with this socket. Okay. So we gotta come back. That one right. Tight. One little lugga-dugga. Then we'll go to our poor man ratchet. Ah! Ah! Right against the firewall.
Sorry.
Okay. That's good. Okay. All right, plugs and wires ready to rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll get our plugs in. Two. 3, and the bad one. There we go. Okay. About to miss my ladder again.
We keep recording right here.
Yeah, we can do a quick little startup.
Oh, yeah, I guess we're just gonna crop this video a lot anyway.
Yeah.
You gonna clear code or anything?
Yeah, we can clear one.
My favorite thing to do.
Get in passenger. Okay, we'll get our scanner plugged in. Harbor Freight Zyrtec.
Zerk.
Okay, so we still got all the misfire codes.
I got it, yeah. 5.
P0, little evap code, evap, random misfire. Okay, so we'll clear these. See what she runs like here in 1 second. No powertrain. Okay. That was okay. We'll see how when it warms up. Make sure it's still running good and everything. Get the miles.
I was zoomed in trying to
load. You turn it like that. There you go. And then double click, use back straight. Yep.
It smells.
It's got AC though. Pretty good. But that's how you change spool packs on a Chevy truck. 485360. Chevy will run again.